Hello students, hello world. Dr. K here. I want to show you this puzzle called Skyscrapers. One of my favorite puzzles. Absolutely phenomenal. Skyscrapers. I'll show you on the same website. I'll put the link in the description. Same website with all these amazing puzzles. And I'll show you this puzzle called Skyscrapers. I want to show you that it also has been featured at the Julia Robinson Mathematical Festival. Skyscrapers. So it's a historical puzzle. It's a grid puzzle. It's based on numbers, and you're putting skyscrapers in certain placements. It's um, it's basically you're putting skyscrapers each row, each column. There is no repetition. The skyscrapers are of different heights, and the number in the margin tells you how many skyscrapers are visible to a person standing there. So you see, for example, like right here, this person only sees one skyscraper because that's the tallest one. This is a 3 by 3, for example, on the easier side. This person here sees three skyscrapers because they see a one height, a 1 story, a 2 story, a 3 story. This person here on the left sees two. And so you're arranging all the skyscrapers such that every row, every column has no redundancy, and that all the numbers match the numbers in the margin that shows you the vantage point. Okay, enough talking. Let's just solve this. So this right here, for example, is one of them. If you click on a new puzzle, it'll be a brand new puzzle. You see, I want you to see me struggle. I want you to see me generate a new puzzle. So I'm seeing this for the first time. Let's see. Let's solve this puzzle. So let's see. Easier, one thing we find out right away is when we see the number 4, you see right here, the number 4, that means that a person standing here from that vantage point gets to see 4 buildings. That means that the building heights is the 1 story, followed by the 2nd story, followed by the 3rd story building, and then the 4th story building. So the buildings are either 1, 2, 3, or 4. I know it looks like a whole bunch of numbers. The numbers on the margin are how many skyscrapers a person would see standing at that vantage point. The numbers inside the grid are the height, how tall the building is. Okay, that's good. So 4 is a easy giveaway. Where else do you see a 4? Easy giveaway right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, there is another giveaway. There is another giveaway. When you see 1, that means that the person's here, for example, you see a 1 right here, that means the person is staring at the building that is the tallest possible building. That means that that's a 4. Now, there is another giveaway. This box right here, this box right here. By process of elimination, the pigeonhole principle tells us that there is a 4 in that column, there's a 3 in that column, there's a 2 in that column. What's left? It has to be a 1. Okay, now let's look. We have 3 ones in there. There's this one, this building. This building is 1 story tall. It means it eliminates the possibility of another one in that row or that column. So by process of elimination, that tells us that the 4th building that is 1 story tall has to be here. Okay, nice. What else can we eliminate? What else can we find out? Oh, where is the 4th 4-story building? It has to be here. We can find that 2 different ways, right? We can find that 2 different ways. Now, what's left? What's left? What can we say? Let's see. So this vantage point here is a 2. This vantage point is a 2. So that means that they see 2 buildings. So the building here has to be a 2 or a 3. So let's pencil that. Let's say we don't know for sure, 2 or 3. And then here it's a 2 or a 3. See, we can pencil it. This software is really pretty. So that means that here is also 2 or 3. And that means that here is also 2 or 3. So there's only one way that's going to work. So the numbers do work. Now, let's see. Here it says 3. 3, you're going to see 3 buildings. So 3 buildings. The only way you're going to see 3 buildings is if you have, let's try that. If you have 2 and then 3 here, let's see if that works. That means that 2 has to be here and 3 has to be here. Does that satisfy? Let's check. Every vantage point makes sense. Let's say we had, this is, you see 2 buildings. Here you see 1 building. Here you see 2 buildings. You see 4. You see 3. You see 3. You see 2. You see 1. Here you only see 1. You see 2. You see all 4. You see 2. You see 3. You see 3, and so on. And so you could see that's right. Let's say we made a mistake. Let's say we made a mistake. Let's say this is 3. See, immediately you get the redundancy. Let's say we try to fix it. It's all incorrect. You see there's a red 3 right there by process of elimination. So that means that the way we had it was correct. And again, beautiful puzzle by process of elimination. Some keep generating new puzzles. Some are harder than others, and this tells us that we solved it. Let's do another one very quickly. Okay, let's see. So a different puzzle. I see a 4. So immediately that's a giveaway. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see a 1. That means the tallest building is right here. And let's see. What else can we process here? This is interesting. Okay, so this here, this 2 right here, tells us that you get to see 2 buildings. 2 buildings. So that means that the building that is the next highest building after a 4 is 3 stories tall, and that has to be right there. And that means that that is a 1 by process of elimination. You see this square has to be a 1 because there's a 3, there's a 2, there's a 4, that's a 1. This eliminates, that's a 2. The fourth 2 goes here. No, sorry, the fourth 2 goes, oh, that can't work. No, so let's undo that. Let's see. Did I mess it up? I messed it up. This is so embarrassing. Oh my goodness, this is so embarrassing. But that's okay. Embarrassment is good. Let's eliminate. The 4 goes here. Let's see. 2, 3, 3 goes here. Let's try that. 3 goes here. 3 goes here. 1 and a 2. And a 2 makes a nice diagonal. 1 right here, and that should work. Anyway, I mean, it's not about time. It's sometimes you experiment. Some are easier than others. Great puzzle, great puzzle. Skyscrapers is an absolutely beautiful puzzle. It's a grid puzzle. Some can get even bigger, 6 by 6, 3 by 3 is easier. But again, no excuse. I know summer is here, but always, you know how much I love puzzles and how much I want you to do puzzles. And great puzzles from this website. I'll put the link in the description to this website. Thank you.